4 pairs of lenses, 0 blind spots, a biological surveillance network that processes more data than many mammals. It doesn't use muscles to jump, it uses internal fluid dynamics, a hydraulic strike system that accelerates at 50 times its body length. Meet the architect of the ambush, the predator with a hunger that never sleeps, the mouth that never closes. Look at the architecture. By pumping hemolymph into its limbs, it creates a pressurized explosive force. Engineering at a microscopic scale. The primary eyes are long focal length telephoto lenses. They don't just see, they map the environment in 3-dimensional high-fidelity data. Mimicry? No, this is pure calculation, a biological supercomputer in a 3mm frame, designed by nature, analysis initiated. The ambush is executed, but the true work happens here, in the iridescent architecture of the chelicerae, the biological fangs. One strike, 1 millisecond, a cocktail of neurotoxins is injected with surgical precision designed to shut down the central nervous system of its prey. Look at the engineering. Unlike other predators that need to reload, these fangs are part of a system optimized for constant readiness, the hunger that never sleeps. This is the constant factor, the mouth that never closes, a biological commitment to energy acquisition that is as efficient as it is lethal. In nature, waste is failure. The jumping spider's weapon system is a masterclass in high-performance delivery, 0 margin for error, high-impact engineering. Speed is a byproduct of precision. In the world of the jumping spider, movement is not powered by muscles, but by high-pressure fluid dynamics. Look at the engineering. Most arthropods use muscles to extend their legs. The jumping spider has evolved past this. It uses a hydraulic system driven by hemolymph pressure. By rapidly increasing internal pressure, it can snap its legs straight in milliseconds, an explosive launch that can propel it 50 times its body length. Every high-velocity jump is backed by data. A silk dragline acts as a biological safety tether. If the jump fails, the system is secured. Total risk management. This is high-performance biological engineering. The ability to generate such force at a microscopic scale is what makes this predator a master of the ambush. High-fidelity movement. In the world of predators, efficiency is measured by success. The jumping spider boasts a hunt success rate of over 80%, outperforming even the greatest big cats. This efficiency is built on extreme energy management. It waits for the perfect calculation, ensuring that every hydraulic launch results in an acquisition, no waste. It is a biological supercomputer, a masterpiece of natural engineering that has reached a state of predatory perfection, a system designed to never stop. It is not just an animal, it is a constant ambush, lethal, precise, and perfectly adapted to the geometry of its world. In nature, efficiency is survival, and for this one, the hunger is the architecture. Designed by nature, analysis complete. I'll see you in the next file.